Hey guys, welcome back to another 10-minute meals video. It's dinner time. Today's a little bit different than most videos we've been doing so far. We got a special guest in the kitchen. Some of you may know that out here in Costa Rica we make some artisan goods under the name Polish Mama, such as Kiełbasa, gołąbki, pierog, many different things. We recently partnered with our friends at Totally Smoke, which is a group of guys from Canada who are doing amazing smoked goods here in Samara. They are currently doing all the smoking for Polish Mama as well. And if you guys want any smoked goods, make sure to contact them. Their info will be in the description below. So let's get back to today's dinner. I want to introduce you to Angelica. Say hello.
Hello.
So today for dinner, we're doing a Polish kielbasa. So the potatoes were cooked previously, now they're just gonna be sauteed a little bit. And here you can see our sausage. This is our traditional Polish kielbasa. It's a family recipe that's been passed down from generation to generation. Now we can throw in our sausage. Angelica's put the sausage in. The sausage needs about 8 to 10 minutes maximum, and you don't want the water boiling, you just want it hot enough where it slowly cooks. If you cook it too high of a temperature, it's going to be dry. Preparing a traditional Polish salad called mizeria.
Now a little bit of salt. Now majeranek.
Majeranek is a Polish herb we like to use, marjoram in English.
Pepper. Classic Polish potatoes.
How's the mizeria going?
A little bit parsley. Garlic. Smells nice. I love that. And finally now yogurt. Not too bad. And now we plate. I kiełbasa!